Hey guys, it's Sam here from Scrubs Car Detailing, and today we've got a quick wrap up on this brand new 76 series Landcruiser. We've done a full matte PPF conversion, so let's take a look around the car and see what we've done. Pretty much every bit of the sandy taupe has been covered in matte, and every panel had its own sort of difficulties that we'll get into, but the bonnet on these newer ones are a lot easier to do, so that's a good plus for us. The fender, unfortunately, they're quite a lot harder. We've got quite a big deep recess in the middle of it, so you want to make sure there's no air or water left behind, otherwise it's going to cause issues down the line. So to make this easier on ourselves, we've fully disassembled the car to make sure we get that seamless tailored finish on all of the panels. Moving down the car, we've got the mirrors, door handles were taken off. I kept the lock in just because it was a little bit easier with the way we're doing it. So moving on to the rear door, we took out the door handle and the flare as well. Yes, you can install PPF without taking things off, but in my opinion, it just looks a lot cleaner if you do. You can remove all the dirt behind it, and there's no chance of getting any sort of distortion around those objects as well. Same with this rear vent here. It's quite easy to take off. There's 4 bolts on the inside and it just pops off. We left this glass on, of course, but it can pop out. So we've got a nice, really clean finish around the glass and the tail light here as well. So the tail light, really simple to pull out. There's 3 bolts and it comes out, but that's pretty much the whole side done. Roof was a bit of a nightmare as well, but you have to sort of do joins as well. We've got a join here just to make sure that we're relieving the stress and the tension from the roof. Other than that, this side looks really cool. Let's move on to the front. So on the front, these cars don't have much in terms of a front bumper. They do have this front strip here. So we did have to disassemble everything on the front to get the indicator out, but it just allowed us to wrap behind that sort of stuff and get a really clean finish. And up the back on the windshield gutter here, we've wrapped all of these individual pieces. So it does take a bit of time, but it looks really clean and it's all covered and will be protected for the 10+ years to come. As you can see, guys, this car is as stock as a rock, and that's the way we like it, because it's a lot easier to take off the OEM stuff. If you get aftermarket bull bars, side bars fitted, it's a lot harder for us to do the install, and it's also a lot more dirtier as well. So we like the car brand new from the factory or from the dealership, and we can do a really clean, seamless job. This job was super clean. We can't wait to see what the customer thinks as well. So let's go check out the rear and see what we've done with all the badges. So the rear of the car has a lot of stuff going on. We've got a spare wheel, got some badges and handles. All this stuff came off to make it a lot easier for us to install. All the badges go back on top of the film to give that really seamless finish. And once it's all done, then we throw a ceramic coating on the matte PPF. Every matte job here at Scrubs gets a matte PPF ceramic coating on top. It just makes it a lot easier to clean, and it looks a lot better, and it will keep the PPF film lasting longer. All right, guys, that's the wrap up on the 76 series matte PPF conversion that we've done. Make sure to like the video, and if you have any questions about PPF or detailing, throw it down in the comments as well. And be sure to subscribe. We're going to be doing heaps more content with the new 76 series Landcruiser. So thanks, guys, and we'll see you around.